हेलो गाइस, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब, हेलो, हाय, केम छो, गुड इवनिंग गाइस, गुड इवनिंग, गुड इवनिंग, गुड इवनिंग। कैसे हैं सभी? सभी कैसे हैं? गुड इवनिंग। वेलकम टू ग्रेडअप गाइस, वेलकम टू ग्रेडअप। आर यू गेटिंग माय वॉइस? एम आई ऑडिबल? एम आई ऑडिबल टू एवरीवन? एम आई ऑडिबल? Just give me a thumbs up, then we will start the session. And today we will have a session on fluid mechanics, and it will be a very awesome session for you all because we will have an awesome amount of questions and awesome quality of the questions. So for Vizag Steel, you will have each and everything related to fluid mechanics. Okay. Thank you, Jaideep. Okay, so guys, first of all, just like the session, just share it with everybody. Okay, let's share it with me also. Just copy the session, copy the link of this session, and we will start this. Okay, so just share it with everybody. After that, we will start this session. And क्लास कितना देर तक चलेगा मेरे दोस्त? क्लास चलेगा 1 घंटे. ओके, क्लास कितना चलेगा? क्लास 1 घंटे तक चलेगा. ठीक है? Okay, just copy the session and then we will start it. Okay, so first of all, many of you don't know me. So first of all, let me introduce myself. Guys, my name is Shivam Gupta. I have 4+ years of experience. GATE, SSCG, RRBG, all the examinations have been qualified by me. And area of expertise is complete mechanical engineering. Means you can ask me anything about fluid mechanics, SOM, thermal, MT, whatever you want to ask. And if you have any questions in your mind, like if you want to ask me personally, then here is my mail ID. You can mail me your personal questions and I will answer you sooner or later, but I will answer you. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's go for a wonderful session. And before starting the session, I would love to show you one picture, and after that we will start the session. And the picture is that lemon. What do you see in this picture? Lemon or lemonade? So my friend, what do you see in this picture? Lemon or lemonade? Just tell me fast, guys. If you are enjoying this session, then you have to answer me fast, very fast. You have to answer me fast. Come on guys, fast. Yes, my class is in at 8 o'clock in Gradeup JE channel. Okay, so I will teach you all in Gradeup JE channel from 8 o'clock, but from 7 p.m. then I'll be here for you all for fluid mechanics. Okay, so what do you see in this picture? Lemon or lemonade? Just tell me, what do you see in this picture? Lemon or lemonade? Yes, Rahul, you have asked the question about that Mercury does not wet the class. I will tell you in a brief. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, lemon. See, we know that there's a proverb that if life gives you a lemon, then make it a lemonade. And this is the difference between you, means you mechanical engineers, and everybody else. Everybody see the lemons, everybody see the lemon juice, but we see the lemonade. We see a positive picture in this scenario. Okay, so we have to be positive from ourselves. We have to be positive from our inner self. Then we can do anything. We have left 4-5 days, 4-5 days, right? So for 4-5 days, we have to think positive, that yes, I can do it, we can clear the exam. Vizag Steel is nothing, man. We can clear it, we know everything. And for a real-time experience, we have what? For a real-time experience, we will have a real-time picture of the examination. So are you guys ready for the questions? Are you guys ready? Just tell me, are you guys ready? We will go with English and Hindi also. Okay, so if anybody want to understand in Hindi, then I will explain. Okay. Yes. Yesterday, what happened? No class yesterday. For Vizag Steel, I don't know, but yesterday I was having class at 8 p.m. in at Gradeup JE channel. Okay. Squeeze it. And people say, wow. Okay, so let's start with the question, and we will have a real-time experience of this question. That the question number 1 for Vizag Steel MT mock test is here, and question number 1 is the dimension formula for the coefficient of viscosity R. the dimensions of a coefficient viscosity will be ml minus 1 t minus 1 m minus 1 l t minus 1 m n minus 1 l minus 1 t minus 1. What will be the answer for this question? That the dimension of the viscosity. Guys, you have to be fast, you have to be the quick, because we don't have time for the Vizag Steel and for this the question. Okay, just give me the answer. फटाफट से आंसर दे, फटाफट से, जल्दी से जल्दी. Yes, Edwin. Okay. Okay, so what will be the answer? Okay, let's see. What is coefficient of viscosity? We know that coefficient of viscosity is nothing but it is mu, and the unit of mu is Newton second per meter square. Am I saying the correct? Yes. So what is the dimension of Newton? It is the force, and we know that it is mLT minus 2, right? Second is T and divided by meter, that is L square, and when you solve it you will get mL minus 1 T minus 1. So the correct answer for this question will be option number A. Option number A will be the correct answer. Okay, so guys, do you want a timer for this question? Like just do it like what you are doing in examination, right? So do you want a timer? If you want, then I can give you the timer. If you want, I can give you the timer. Right. From the very next question, let's go with the timer. Okay. So the next question on your screen is, yes, the next question on your screen is, a liquid compressed in a cylinder has a volume of 0.04 meter square and 50 Newton per centimeter square and a volume of 0.039 meter cube at 115 Newton per centimeters. Then the bulk modulus of elasticity of liquid will be, the bulk modulus of elasticity of the liquid. Okay. So what will be the answer for this question? You have only 33 seconds. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? Just give me the answer fast, guys. Just give me the answer. If you want to solve this question, then you should know that is what is bulk modulus of elasticity, and it is what? It is nothing but it is K. And for K, you will have 50 Newton square, Newton per centimeter square, and you have that 0.04 meter square and 0.039. okay, it is not meter square, it is meter cube. First of all, it is meter cube. 0.04, or here you have that 0.039. then you will get what? You know that it is volumetric stress divided by volumetric strain. You know this. This is volumetric stress upon volumetric strain, and for that you will get volumetric stress as 0.01. okay, so this is Newton per centimeter square. Yes, right. So you will get 0.001 as volumetric strain, and volumetric stress will be what? Volumetric stress will be 150 minus 50, right? So you will get 100. So what will be the answer for this question? Option number B. Very good. Option number B. Why? Because 150 minus 50, it will become 100, and 1 upon 40. When you apply this formula, then you will have 1 upon 40, and just convert it as this. So 100 into 40 divided by 1, you will get 4000. So answer will be option number B. Okay, now coming to the next question on the screen, and it is saying that surface tension of a water will increase with decrease in temperature, independent of the temperature, or none of these. So surface tension, what is the surface tension of the water? Means what will be the effect of the surface tension of a water if you will increase or decrease the temperature? Just tell me. What will be the answer? And here you have 35-second timer for this. Okay. Surface tension of a water increases with decrease in temperature or decreases with decrease in temperature? Option number A. Sharmila has said that option number A will be the answer. Okay. Option number D. Mani is saying option number D. None of the above. Okay. Just see. Surface tension is the function of cohesion. Everybody know that surface tension is a function of cohesion, right? And for the cohesion, you should know if cohesion will increase, then the density of the material will also increase. And for increasing the density for water, you should decrease the temperature at 4 degrees centigrade. So for decreasing the temperature, the surface tension will increase. Option number A will be the correct answer. Option number A will be the correct answer. Coming to the next question on your screen, and the question is saying that a pressure at a point in a fluid will not be same in all the directions when the fluid is. Wow, what a question. You have 48 seconds for this question. The pressure at a point in a fluid will not be same in all the directions when the fluid is moving. Fluid is viscous and static, or viscous and moving. What will be the answer for this question? Just give me the fast. Come on guys, what are you doing? Just give me the answer. Rahul, option number A, moving. Okay, what will be the answer for this question? Question number 4. Just give me the answer fast, guys. Come on. Option number D, viscous and moving. Okay. TNV is saying option number D. Satish is saying option number D. Shivam is saying option number D. Yes, guys, absolutely correct. Option number D is absolutely correct answer. Yes. For a pressure at a point, fluid will not be same. When fluid will not be same? When it is moving and when it is having viscosity. So option number D is absolutely correct. Coming to the next question on your screen, that is the viscosity of the gas. For the viscosity of the gas, what will you conclude? Viscosity of a gas decreases with increase in temperature, increases with increase in temperature, is independent of the temperature, or is independent of the pressure for a very high pressure intensities. What will be the answer? Just give me the answer, and the timer for this is 40 seconds. So answer will be viscosity of a gas decreases with increase in temperature or increases with increase in temperature. And firstly, answer is given by the Sharmila, then Boina Rahul, then Veer Bhadra, option number B, Pankaj. Very good, absolutely great. And for the viscosity of the gas, you know, on increasing the temperature, the molecular momentum will increase, and because of the molecular momentum, the friction forces will increase, and because of the friction, viscosity increases. So option number B will be the correct answer, right? You know what I said, that for the viscosity of the gas, you have to increase the temperature. If you will increase the temperature, then viscosity will increase. Okay guys, if you are liking the session, then you should press the like button, or you can show me a thumbs up in chat section also. Coming to the next question, and next question is on your screen. That is, an ideal fluid has no viscosity, satisfies the relation PV equals to RT, or obeys Newton's law of viscosity, is both incompressible or non-viscous. What will be the answer for this question? And the timer for this question is 45 seconds. So just give me the answer. What will be the answer for this question? An ideal fluid has no viscosity, satisfies the relation PV equals to RT, obeys Newton's law of viscosity, is both incompressible and non-viscous. Okay, so for an ideal fluid, you should know 3 conditions. For an ideal fluid is a fluid which obeys 3 conditions. Okay, ideal fluid. For ideal fluid, you know what are 3 conditions? What are 3 conditions? The first condition for ideal fluid is it should have 0 viscosity. It should have 0 viscosity, right? The next condition for the ideal fluid is that it should have 0 surface tension. Okay, my question to you all is that what about question number A? An ideal fluid is having no viscosity. It is correct. Is it wrong that an ideal fluid is having no viscosity? It is also correct now. It is also correct. And tension. So just give me the conclusion for this question. And the third point is it is incompressible. Okay, I'm giving you the answer. First of all, just think that an ideal fluid has no viscosity. It is correct. And is incompressible and non-viscous. It is also correct. But according to the question, option number D is more correct. Option number D is more correct, and we have to choose the best possible answer. For the best possible answer, option number D will be the correct answer, right? Yes, option number A is also correct, and for choosing only one option, you should go with the D. Because A is also correct and D is also correct, but D is more correct. That's why we are going with the D. Now coming to the next question. Next question on your screen is, and it is saying that Pascal second is the unit of pressure, kinematic viscosity, dynamic viscosity, or surface tension. What will be the answer for this question? That Pascal second is the unit of pressure, kinematic viscosity, dynamic viscosity, or surface tension. Give me the answer. Because D has A option in it. Yes, you can see. You can see. Most appropriate answer is option number D. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. Guys, what happened? What happened? Just click the like button if you like the session. And just show some encouragement. Yeah, show some enthusiasm. Right? You are the mechanicals, and mechanical engineers are just awesome. They are above this, above 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, infinite clouds. Mechanical engineers are the real engineers, you know. So for the mechanical engineer, you should hit the like button. Okay, dynamic viscosity, very good. So the Pascal second is the unit of dynamic viscosity, right? Okay. Do you know what is the unit of the pressure? What is the unit of the pressure? Newton per meter square. That is Pascal. Okay. Now, just tell me, what is the unit of kinematic viscosity? Kinematic viscosity, and for the kinematic viscosity, you have meter square per second, right? And for the surface tension, you have what? Newton per meter. That is force per unit length. So the unit for pressure is Pascal, kinematic viscosity is meter square per second, dynamic viscosity is Pascal second, and surface tension is Newton per meter. So if anybody will ask one question, we will give 4 answers. Okay, now coming to the next question. Next question on your screen is, yes, that the specific weight of a seawater is more than that of a pure water because it contains. See, this is very basic question. Anybody can answer this question. There is no toe phenomena. There is no missile phenomena for this question. There is no Surma concept for this question, right? The specific weight of a seawater is more than weight of the pure water because specific weight increase क्यों होता है? Seawater का क्यों increase होता है? Because of the dissolved air, because of the dissolved salt, and because of the suspended matter which found in the seawater. That's why answer will be option number D. Option number D will be the correct answer. So guys, hit like the button, option number D, right? Okay, awesome. Yeah, you guys are just awesome. Okay, guys, speed सही है? Speed सही है? Okay, am I too fast or am I too slow? Am I just normal? So the pace of my teaching is good. Are you getting each and everything? Okay. Okay, and guys, please answer. Each and everybody who is watching the session, you have to answer. Just give the answer. Either it is right or wrong, doesn't matter. Just give the answer. And for the answer, you have the next question on your screen is, yes, in an ideal fluid, the flow is, in an ideal fluid, the the pressure is equal everywhere, or pressure increases linearly with the depth, or viscosity is 0, or surface tension forces are 0. For ideal fluid, what will be the correct answer? Just tell me. Okay, Bhivaji, I have to be slow. Okay, little fast. Okay, I'm taking my pace down. Okay, okay. Tell me. So what will be the answer for this question? In an ideal fluid flow, the pressure is equal everywhere. You can say pressure is equal everywhere, but it is asking for the ideal fluid flow. Ideal fluid flow. And for this, the correct answer will be option number C. Right? The correct answer will be option number C. For the ideal fluid flow, viscosity is 0. So you have to see the viscosity, right? You have to see the viscosity. Option number C will be the correct answer. Okay. Now coming to the next question, and next question on your screen is this. Yes. What Ledda is saying that the level of the Vizag steel exam is tough and moderate. when compared to NLC examination? Okay, you are asking the question according to the NLC, what will be the level of Vizag steel? It will be as same as NLC. Okay, so you don't have to study more or less as compared to NLC. Okay, and the question is, it is saying that the specific gravity of a liquid is 2.5, assuming G equals to 9.8 meter per second square, and mass of 1 liter of the liquid will be 1.0, 9.8, 24.5 or 2.5 kgs. Tell me the answer. Guys, if you like the session, then share it with everybody. And guys, if you want to follow me on Telegram, then you have the link in description. You can follow me from there. Okay. Yes. What will be the answer for this question? Option number C. Okay, great. So option number C will be the correct answer. Actually, we have a very short trick. Whenever you want to find the answer, you just have to multiply S multiplied by acceleration due to gravity, that is G, and you will get the correct answer. 2.5 into 9.8. 9.8 is nearby 10. So the correct answer will be nearby 25 kgs. So 25 के nearest value क्या है? 24.5. So answer will be what? Answer will be option number C. Oh, great, Shikumar. Great. Okay, now coming to the next question. Next question is saying that in Newtonian fluid, the shear stress is directly proportional to the rate of shear strain, is inversely proportional to the rate of shear strain, balances pressure or balances inertia stresses. See, for the Newtonian fluid, you should know the Newton's law of viscosity, and according to the Newton's law of viscosity, shear stress is directly proportional to what? Shear stress is directly proportional to rate of shear strain, that is du upon dy. And from here you get the Newton's law of viscosity, that is tau equals to mu times of du upon dy. So the correct answer for this question will be option number A. So tick the option number A and you will get the correct answer, right? Okay, everybody is correct. Great guys, great. Now coming to the next question. Next question on your screen is, yes, a fluid is defined as the one which cannot withstand shear, can withstand elongation, deforms continuously when subjected to shear stress, is solid like when there is no motion. Guys, you don't have to think so deeply, you just have to think very less and you can give the answer for this question. That a fluid is defined as the one which cannot withstand shear stress. Yes, it is kind of good question, but it deforms continuously when subjected to shear stress. What will be the answer? What will be the more correct answer for this question? And yes, option number C will be the nearest and the most correct answer for this question. So option number C. So ताला लगा लीजिएगा option number C पे. Just log the option number C. Okay. Now coming to the next question. Next question on your screen, and it is saying that kinematic viscosity of a fluid is dash. Kinematic viscosity of the fluid. What will be the answer for this question? Kinematic viscosity of the fluid is viscous force, flow rate, viscous force divided by strain, dynamic viscosity upon pressure, or dynamic viscosity upon density. What will be the answer for this question? Yes, Javed, it would be A and C, but more correct answer will be C. Okay. So what will be the answer for this question? What will be the answer for this question? That kinematic viscosity. You all know that kinematic viscosity is denoted by nu, and it is equals to mu by rho. It is the ratio of dynamic viscosity divided by density, that is mass density, and the answer for this question will be option number D. Great. Okay, now coming to the next question, and next question on your screen is this. Okay guys, I have one information. If you want to revise it, if you want to revise each and everything for the fluid mechanics, then I had made the session of A to Z fluid mechanics, where I have discussed a lot in fluid mechanics. Means you will have a session of 5 hours, a 5 hour session for fluid mechanics. Okay, now the question is, from where you will get this session? So I have added a link in the description, so you can go and join this session I have made, and you can watch it with 2x speed, so you can finish this session in 2.5 hours. Okay, and you will get to know many things. You can revise your fluid mechanics here. Okay, so you can go, the description will be the link will be in the description only. Okay, yes, Yes. No, not on the 4th July. Yes, that is the part 2, and I have made part 1 also. Okay, so there are two parts, part 1 and part 2. Yes. Okay. Okay, Dheeraj, I will see the mail and will revert you back. Okay. Okay, now the question is saying a piece of wood having 10 kg float in the water with 70% of its volume under the liquid, then the specific gravity of the wood will be. This is the easiest question in the fluid mechanics ever. Easiest question. I can give you the trick. I will give you the trick for this and you will get the answer in 2 seconds. In 2 seconds. So what will be the answer for this question? Actually, this is the easiest question, right? So you want the trick? If you want the trick, then you have to show me the thumbs up, right? Just give me the answer for this question. And the answer will be option number D. Okay, 0.7. Okay, good, Rahul. TNB, option number B. Great. See, a wood is having 10 kg. Just forget this 10 kg. It can be 100 kgs. It can be 1000 kgs. It can be 10,000 kgs. Just forget it. Okay. Now see what percent of the water is under the, what percent of this volume is under the water. The main thing is what? Water. Okay. Now see the percentage. If here it is written as 70, then the specific gravity will be 0.7. If here it is written as 62.3, then the specific gravity will be 0.623. If here it is written as 69.9%, then the specific gravity will be 0.699. You have to see if water is given, then what percent of the volume is under the liquid, right? So you will get the answer in fingertips. So answer will be option number B. Okay, if I say that 92.78% water volume is underwater, then what will be the specific gravity? If I say that 92.78% volume is under the water, then what will be the specific gravity? It will be 0.9278. What a trick, what a trick. You just have to see what? You just have to see that it is water and how much percentage it is given. Just don't see this number that 10 kg, it can be 100, it can be 1000, it can be lakh, it can be anything. Just forget it. Just see the water. If water is given, just see the percentage. Very simple, very simple. Now coming to the next question on your screen is that dimensional formula of the force. It is the second most easiest question of fluid mechanics. The force is Newton, and everybody means we know this formula from 10th class, that the Newton for the dimension for the force is MLT minus 2, right? MLT minus 2. If you don't know, then you should know. Yes, only for the water, Edwin, only for the water. Okay. What if it's not water? Okay, what if it's not water? Very good question. Then we have to think about it. If it's not water, then you have to multiply this, right? If there is any liquid, you just give me the specific gravity of that liquid. Do you know what is the liquid? I don't know any liquid. I know that the liquid is X. And the specific gravity for that liquid is 2, right? 2. Then what you have to do? You don't have to do anything. You just have to multiply 2 into 70 divided by 100. So what will you get? You will get what? You will get 7 into 2, that is 40. 140 divided by 100, you will get 1.4, right? You will get what? 1.4. If there is any other liquid, then you have to see the specific gravity of that liquid multiplied by the percentage divided by the 100. You will get the answer, right? Okay. सब ठीक सर, अब तक एडमिट कार्ड नहीं आया, एग्जाम पोस्टपोन हो गया क्या? अमित यार, एग्जाम पोस्टपोन हो ऐसा होना थोड़ा मुश्किल है. एडमिट कार्ड नहीं आता तो हमारे पास और टाइम है, प्रिपरेशन करेंगे दिल लगा करके, बिल्कुल, है ना? मन से प्रिपरेशन करेंगे भाई साहब, मजा आना चाहिए, बिल्कुल चिल होकर के. जस्ट बी कूल, जस्ट बी नॉर्मल एंड जस्ट स्टडी लाइक एनीथिंग मैन, जस्ट स्टडी लाइक एनीथिंग. You have your power, you have your strength. Guys, everybody have their strength. Means you have that power that you can read, you can study anything if you have the concentration level up to 100, right? So just make yourself comfortable. If you have any other thing like मेरे साथ क्या होता था, मैं जब पढ़ता था, when I used to study, I get lots of thoughts that I have to talk to my mama, I have to text to my friend, I have to watch Mirzapur, I have to watch this. When I used to study, there are lots of thoughts which are coming into my mind. What I have to do, my concentration level go from 100 to 0. Then what is the plan? What is the solution for this problem, right? So you have one paper. See, I have paper and I have written everything. Like when I was making presentation for you all, I get lots of thoughts that I have to buy this, I have to order this. I have written each and everything here, right? You can see that I have written each and everything. So this is the phenomena, right? You get the thought, just write it down, then come to study. If you get another thought, just write it down, then come to study. This is the best way to study, and this is the best way to ignore your thoughts which are coming. Because when you write the thought, it will not interact you, it will not disturb you again, right? So you just have to write it down, okay? Yes. क्रूड ऑयल स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी 0.2, तो 0.2 से 70 को मल्टीप्लाई करके 100 से घटा दो, आंसर आ गया। क्लियर है? ओके, प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन। यस, ये लो प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन। क्या दिक्कत आ गई धीरज? कोई और डाउट आ रहा है? इसको कुछ और तरीके से करके दिखाएं। सेम प्रॉब्लम इफ डेंसिटी ऑफ द लिक्विड इज 800। ओके, नाउ सी, हमसे मनी ने क्वेश्चन पूछा है। मनी हैज आस्क्ड द क्वेश्चन, नाउ सी, लेट मी टेल यू. If Mani has asked the question that if I have the density of the liquid is 800, okay, then what will be the answer? See, if you have the density of the liquid 800, then you know specific gravity of that liquid will be what? Specific gravity of that liquid will be what? That will be 800 divided by 1000. You know that? And what will you get? You will get 0.8. Right, now multiply 0.8 with the 70 divided by 100. You will get what? That is 8 7 ja 56. 56 divided by 100. You will get 0.56. Right? So 0.56 will be the correct answer. Simple. जितना सिंपल कर सकते हो उतना सिंपल कर दो। सर टाइम चेंज किया आपने? जी नहीं, बिल्कुल टाइम चेंज नहीं किया है। गेट चैनल पे शाम को 7 बजे और AJE चैनल पर रात को 8 बजे हम अवेलेबल होंगे। कोई दिक्कत नहीं होनी चाहिए और सभी लोगों को पता भी होगा, राइट? ओके, ग्रेट। यस, नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन। गाइज, यू हैव टू बी फास्ट, ओके? Now the question is saying that the SI unit of a work or energy will be. This is the question for you all. This is the gate level question. What? This is a gate level question. If you can answer this question in 1 minute, you are just awesome, man. You are just awesome. Just give the answer. बताइए। So this 70 is submerged volume, right? Yes, submerged मतलब जो वॉल्यूम पानी के अंदर आ चुका है। तो मतलब कितना भी वॉल्यूम होगा वो पानी के अंदर है। तो आपको ये देखना है कि कितना पानी के अंदर कितना परसेंटेज है। अब जितना परसेंटेज पानी के अंदर उतना ही तो उसकी लिमिट हो गई। उतना परसेंटेज निकाल लो स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी का, आ जाएगा, राइट? ओके, ऑप्शन नंबर बी, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। ऑप्शन नंबर सी, meter per second square. Okay, good. So option number C, just log the option number C, guys. Option number C पर ताला लगा दिया, right? Okay, and I would like to tell you all that option number C is घनघोर गलत आंसर है मेरे भाई। Option number C is absolutely wrong answer. You know what is the unit of work or energy? In terms of energy, if I know that I know kinetic energy, and kinetic energy is what? That is half mv square, right? mv square. We know that mass is written in kg, right? And velocity is written in meter per second. Just square it and you will get what? You will get a half that is kg meter square per second square. So you will have the unit of this as kg meter square per second square. Option number B will be the correct answer, right? Okay, now coming to the next question. Next question on your screen. आ जाए मेरे दोस्त, अगला क्वेश्चन आपकी स्क्रीन पर है, and you guys are going to have a normal stress in a fluid will be constant in all the directions at a point if it is incompressible, it is having a uniform viscosity, it has zero viscosity, or it is at rest. You can say this is the very easy question. It is not the easiest question, it is easy question. Normal stress. See, we can see the normal stress in the fluid if the fluid is at rest. So answer will be option number D, or answer will be option number D. Option number D is absolutely correct. Guys, just tell me one thing. Are you getting a real-time experience of the examination? Are you feeling like you are giving the examination on your exam hall? Because I have made each and everything right. We have given 16 answers and 17 answers is option number D, and we have Vizag Steel mock test. Here we have this mark for review, next clear response, bookmarks, right? English. So are you getting a real-time experience of Vizag Steel? Actually, my main motto is that only, that I have to give you the real-time experience. Okay, so the answer is option number D. Now coming to the next question. Next question on your screen is that viscosity of a fluid decreases with increase in temperature, increases with increase in temperature, or can be both A and B, or none of the above. This is a googly question. This is a googly question. If anybody get it, then he will give the answer correct, or you will give the answer wrong. This is a googly question. Yes, boss. Okay, Chaudhary ji. Badhiya. Great. So guys, for the next 4 days, I will be here with you at 7 p.m. So if you like the session, just be present at 7 p.m. daily. Okay. Option number A, very good. Option number C. So Veerbhadra, Vivekanand, and Punithan. Okay. And Priyanka Singh and Sri Kumar. Okay. And Punithan. Yes. You all, even you are correct, except everybody is wrong. Yes. The correct answer is option number C. Option number C is correct. My friend, you have to see that here it is written as fluid, and fluid can be gas, fluid can be liquid. There are two types of the fluid available. One is liquid and one is gas. So how can you answer on the basis of liquid and gas? You have to answer on the basis of both. So viscosity of the liquid decreases with increase in temperature. No, velocity of the liquid decreases. Wait a minute. Velocity of the fluid, gas, decreases with increase in temperature. Yes, viscosity decreases with increase in temperature. This is for the liquid, and increases with increase in temperature. This is for the gas. So both A and B will be the correct answer. Option number C will be the correct answer, right? So you have to mark that word fluid. Fluid means liquid and gas. Not only liquid, not only gas. It comprises liquid and gas, right? Okay, coming to the next question. Next question on your screen is that Newton's law of viscosity relates. What do you understand by the Newton's law of viscosity? You know that the Newton's law of viscosity relates with intensity of the pressure and rate of angular deformation, or shear stress and rate of angular deformation, or shear stress with viscosity and temperature, or viscosity and the rate of angular deformation. So what will be the answer? Liquid decreases and air increases. Yes, Ravi. Yes, absolutely correct. Yes, मेरे दोस्त, बहुत बढ़िया. Need to watch out for that. Okay. Yes. Option number B. Yes, option number B is absolutely correct. Actually, du upon dy. This du upon dy has many names. First of all, we know it as velocity gradient. Guys, you know it as velocity gradient, right? Velocity gradient. One more name. We know it as rate of shear strain. We know it as rate of shear strain, right? Yes. And again, it has one more name, and that is rate of angular deformation. Angular deformation, right? Deformation. So answer will be option number B. Now coming to the next question on your screen, and it is saying that, okay guys, before the next question, I would love to ask you all that how you are getting this session, means how are your response, what are your response for this session. Okay, so you can review this session, you can give me your review on this mail ID. So I would like you all to just review it, review your session, not review your teacher. You have to review your session, that how it is going, are you feeling like exam, are you getting the concepts, are you enjoying the session, are you getting bored. You have to write. So guys, just take 2 minutes and you can give the review. If you are very enthusiastic and if you want to give the review at your best, then you can record your session, you can record your selfie video, and you can send me on shivam.gupta@gradeup.co. okay, yes. So guys, I would be very happy if you will mail me, about this, that what is your response and what is your review regarding your teacher, regarding your session, and what you are looking forward for next upcoming sessions. Okay, so you can mail me, and you have to give the answers in comment section, because I have homework question also. Okay, so we will go for the homework question also. Now let's see with the next question, and it is saying that in equilibrium condition, fluids are not able to sustain. In equilibrium condition, fluids are not able to sustain shear force, resistance to viscosity, surface tension, or geometric similitude. See, this is the easiest question. You can answer anytime. Shri Kumar, thank you. Thank you so much, Radhakanta. Beni, thank you. Lalita, thank you. Shear stress and rate of angular deformation, very good. Okay. So answer will be option number C. No. In equilibrium condition, when you are in equilibrium, and in previous papers the questions are more depth type of the basic questions. Veerbhadra, if you see the question, then the level of question is the same as what I am telling you, right? So you don't have to think that question will be from the GATE examination, question will be from the previous year ESE examination. The question will be same as what I am teaching you, right? Okay, so answer will be what? Answer will be option number A, that is the shear force. In equilibrium condition, fluids are not able to sustain what? Tau, that is shear force. Oh, it is shear stress, that will be force, shear force. Okay, shear force, right? So option number A will be the correct answer. Now coming to the next question on your screen is, and it is saying that hygrometer is used to determine, wow, this is a very good question. You know what is hygrometer and where it is used? What is hygrometer and where it is used? Do you know what is the hygrometer? Okay, there are two terms you know very well, that is hygrometer and hygrometer. There are two terms, that is hygrometer and hygrometer, right? One is GRO and one is DRO. Yeah, so option will be very good. I was expecting the same with you all, and few are there who are saying that the answer will not be option number A, but yes, correct option is option number A. Hygrometer is used to determine the relative humidity. We used to say na, आज बहुत उमस है, you know umas, that is humidity. So very humid today it is very humid, right? So that is what? That is relative humidity. You know, in the month of September the humidity level increases. So the level, at what level humidity is, it is measured by what? That is hygrometer. And when you have to see that a milkman has mixed up water in milk, then how much water has mixed in the milk, then you have to see what you have to see with the help of hygrometer. So it is for the specific gravity, right? हम बोलते ना दूध वाले भैया से, the milk is very thin, you have applied, you have mixed very large amount of the water, right? So this is known by what? Hygrometer, that is specific gravity of the liquid, and hygrometer is known for relative humidity, right? That it is very humid today. Humidity. Okay, yes. Now coming to the next question, and next question is saying that a dilatant fluid is a fluid for which dynamic viscosity decreases as the rate of shear increases. Newton's law of viscosity holds good, or dynamic viscosity increases, the rate of the shear increases, or dynamic viscosity increases with the time for which shearing force are applied. What will be the answer? See, this is very easy question. Only you have to see the generalized form of Newton's law of viscosity formula, that is tau equals to mu times of du upon dy, right, to the whole power n, where n is exponentially indexed and it is telling about which fluid it is. And for the dilatant fluid, n is greater than 1, and in the graph, the n is greater than 1 will make a positive graph, positive curve, right? Positive curve. So for the positive curve, we can definitely say that dynamic viscosity will increase with the increase of rate of what? Rate of shear stress. So answer will be option number C, na ki option number D. Option number D will not be the correct answer. Dynamic viscosity increases with the time for which shearing force are applied. No. Option number C will be the correct answer, not option number D. Option number C will be the correct answer, right? We think that dynamic viscosity increases with the time for which shearing force are applied, right? So for which shearing force are applied is not with the time. When you say na, then it is written as the same, that the rate of the shear increases. Okay, so option number C, although option number C and D both are looking like the same, right? Okay, now coming to the next question on your screen is that a piece of metal of specific gravity 13.6 is placed in mercury of specific gravity 13.6. Okay, now it is saying that I have a liquid which is having a density of 13.6, and I have a block which is having a density, that is specific gravity of 13.6. Then what will happen? It will submerge in the liquid, it will float, or it will, where it will be? Actually, actual position of this will be where? Okay, A also holds good, that dynamic viscosity decreases with the rate. No, here it is decreases with the rate of shear stress increases. No, on decreasing the dynamic viscosity, shear stress will also decrease. So option number A will not be the correct answer. Okay, a piece of metal will simply float on over the mercury. No, option number A will not be the correct answer. A whole body of the metal piece will immerse with its top surface. It will have this kind of behavior, right? So the top surface will be what? Will be same for this and this, because it is having the same specific gravity. So the answer will be option number C. Clear? Okay, now coming to the next question. Next question is saying that a piezometer is used to measure. Piezometer, it is the simplest manometer ever. Simplest manometer, you know that? Simplest manometer is what? Simplest manometer is piezometer, and it is used to measure what? Medium and very low pressure. So the answer for this question will be option number C. Okay guys, you have to wait for the homework question. I have 2 homework questions for you all, which you have to answer it in comment section. So you have to wait it for it. Just after the question, I will give you the homework question. Okay, just because time is there for my next session, and it will be on Gradeup JE channel. So you all are most welcome in that session also. Okay, now the question is dynamic viscosity of the most of the liquid with rising temperature. See, with most of the fluid, again it is what? अगेन इट इज फ्लूइड, बहुत कम दबाव, वेरी गुड। फ्लूइड, अगर ये फ्लूइड के बारे में है मेरे दोस्त, तो फ्लूइड इज व्हाट? फ्लूइड इज लिक्विड एंड गैस. If a fluid is liquid and gas, and it is saying that dynamic viscosity of most of the fluid with rise in temperature. So in a fluid there is liquid and gas. So can you predict it? No, no, no. Option number B, option number A will be घनघोर गलत आंसर. घनघोर गलत आंसर. Why? Because you cannot predict. You cannot predict with rise in temperature. Either it will decrease or increase, because you don't know that fluid is liquid or gas. So you have to select this answer, that it is unpredictable. You cannot predict it, my friend. You cannot predict it at all. कभी प्रिडिक्ट नहीं कर सकते. कैसे पता लिक्विड और गैस में से कौन सा फ्लूइड है? बताओ, कर सकते हो क्या? कर सकते हो तो बता दो, हमें भी सिखा देना. वैसे हमको तो नहीं लगता हो पाएगा. Okay, now guys, here is a time for your homework question, and let me tell you the first homework question for this is that capillary action is due to surface tension, cohesion of the liquid, adhesion of the molecule and the molecule on the surface. All the options are correct. And another question is that the capillary rise of the water in a glass tube is given by. Capillary rise is given by which formula? So you have to answer all these questions in comment section. You have to answer it in comment section, and the student and the mechanical surma who will answer this question, I will shout out his or her name in the next session. I will tell that how many students have given the answer. I will tell their name also. So for that you have to answer. Everybody, you have to answer it in comment section. You know, after the session you will have the comment section. So you have two things. You have two things to do. First thing is to review it, to give the review of the session, right? Just give the review of the session where at this mail ID, that is shivam.gupta@gradeup.co. right? And another question is here, that you have to give the answer of this homework question in comment section, right? comment section में आप लोगों को क्या करना है? HW, that is homework question का आंसर देना है, right? So you have the two tasks. So just take out 5-minute time from your very busy schedule and just give the two things for me, right? Okay. And if you like the session, just hit like the button before leaving the session. And if you want me to deliver you this kind of session, then you have to answer me in this comment section. Okay, then I will make this kind of questions for you all. Okay, now it's time for leaving. So guys, मिलते हैं फिर next session में. Till then, bye bye, Sat Shri Akal, good night. And if anybody want to study more, then I'm coming live now at 8 p.m. on Gradeup JE channel. Okay, so you can come here on Gradeup JE channel and you can enjoy the session. Okay, and there I am teaching production engineering. Today I will teach production engineering on Gradeup JE channel, so you can go and enjoy that session also. Okay, so at 8 p.m. I'll be there. Okay, so after 3 minutes, so just go drink water and just come with the very refreshed mind. Okay, bye bye guys, see you, good night, and just hit like the button.